Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, which is announcing the winner for January's giveaway. So thank you to everybody who took part, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And the prize, the giveaway for this January, is the Dazzle. It's Cedar Colour Wheel Dazzle. 78% acrylic, 19% wool and 3% polyester. And I think there might be I'm not sure, yes, there's a free scarf pattern on the ball band, guys. So yeah, so this is the prize along with notions. So you get 2 of these and they are 150 grams, so you've got 300 grams there, which is 568 yards, so in both of them, so that's over 1,000 yards. So be able to make something really nice, maybe a hat and scarf and mitt set. But yeah, so that's the prize. And of course notions, you always get notions with my giveaways. And you've got stitch markers, tapestry needles, a pen, a hook, which is a 5mm hook, and a little notebook. We all need our notebooks, don't we, guys? So without further ado, let's go to the computer and pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. Hey guys, so I'm just going to copy the URL for the giveaway. Go to random and YouTube's winner, what's it called, comment pick a winner. So we filter, specific text was Dazzle, and do the little sum, and then let's see how many people said. 221 guys. Wow, thank you to everybody. Thank you. So let's pick a winner, guys. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Laurie Sloan. Happy New Year, Linda. May the year be full of dazzle for you. Well, thank you, Laurie. So guys, I'm just going to check to see if Laurie is subscribed. So as you know, I don't go through their subscriptions, so I'll come back and show you if she is a subscriber. Here I am, guys. She's definitely subscribed to me. So congratulations, Laurie. So congratulations, Laurie Sloan. Please email me at this address. You have 7 days from today. I will put this description box when you've got to notify me by, and email me your postal address. And once again, congratulations. Now don't forget, the first Tuesday of February I have another giveaway, and I look forward to seeing you all then. So I wonder what I've got next month. Valentine. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you, and thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. Bye for now.